Alright guys, what's going on? We are back. Today we're going to show you guys how we ended up landing a job off of Facebook Marketplace. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I had to call reinforcements. George finished early at one of the other jobs we had him at, so called him to come help us over here. Let me just share with you guys real quick how we end up landing this job. I end up searching Facebook Marketplace, and this is not a sponsored video from Facebook, but you know, Facebook, if you want, go ahead and shoot us a sponsor. But anyways, so you know, I go on a lot of different things on Facebook Marketplace, and as you know, if you like something or you search something on Facebook, most of the time you're gonna get a lot of you know, similar posts popping up. So recently we've been looking for people that have been wanting free dirt because we've been doing a project, and we happen to come across this post, and we've done the same for a lot of other posts. So they did a job here on the property, and what they were doing, they were giving away free gravel, kind of like road base. And what we did was we reached out and we told them that if nobody came by and pick them up, that we would be glad to give them a free estimate to come by and haul this off for them. She did actually ask for a price. I gave her a price. You know, they sat on it for a few days, and then they reached back out, and here we are. So we've actually once again done that a few times. We actually have got lucky a few other times on Facebook Marketplace doing the same thing. And this is happened to be one of the videos that we're shooting for you guys and showing you guys sometimes just putting yourself out there, you know, kind of pays off. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in. Alright guys, we're all finished. George is the hero. It's the face right there. This is our second load. Check that out. We're riding really low. Low. And there it is. There's the final right there. All cleaned up. They're gonna end up keeping this pile in case they need it.